This took way longer than I thought it would take. I started at the end of November 2021 and it's now April 2022. So let's build a table. So our neighbors just finished chopping down some wood from the side of the house, and I found a slice that looks very usable, and I think we're gonna use that. And this is just a shot of other wood. So yeah, I don't have too many tools, but I do have access to my family's shed, so I'm gonna go ahead and make use of that. Let's see what we got. Don't look in here, it's a bit of a mess. And I don't have a lot of tools, but I do have this little sander. And I can take this, and I might take this rotary sander. This might do us some good. So this is our wood here. See it cracking off here a bit. I wanted to keep the bark on here, but I think it's too far gone. Plus, if I dig in just a little bit, you see that there's animals in here, and I don't want to risk that, so. Okay, look at this. So I'm really gonna have to like go back in here and like scratch all this stuff because the bark is a little rotty. So I'm gonna have to really go back in here, clean out all this stuff. Maybe even spray a little pesticide. I don't even really know, but still got a long way to go. So I ran into a problem. The wood's too thick and I'm just gonna have to saw it down. Like, I tried sanding and there's no fucking way I'm gonna get through it. There's just no way I'm gonna get through it. That's what we got here, but I'm gonna go ahead and saw it along this line, and I'm taking off a big chunk. You know, it's a big chunk. This project has turned from something kind of short that I thought maybe I could do to something way bigger, and I just hope I can do it. We got a long way to go. Alright, so we're gonna go to the store to pick up a few items. I already have most of everything that I need, but I am gonna buy just a replacement for my sandpaper for my sander. Alright, here we are. Whoop, our local Harbor Freight Tools. I think I'm also gonna have to pick up a chainsaw. I actually ran into an interesting issue that I guess the wood is so old and dry. When I put in the protective resin, I'd done like a patchwork of just like some tape behind it to just kind of hold it in, and I was like, surely the tape must have given out. And
it must be seeping through the bottom, but it wasn't. It was simply just absorbing into the wood. I was like, oh my god, am I really gonna be able to get this to actually settle on top as a surface finish? Anyways, I gave it a day and it worked out.
So I meant to buy hairpin legs, but I didn't, so I have to do it now. So I think I'm just gonna get these legs. It's set 4. It was fairly cheap. I think we should pull the trigger. I'm ready to take them out so I can go ahead and put them on the table.
I ran into so many issues. First of all, I didn't have enough tools or the proper tools to do what I needed to do. But at the end of the day, after all the work that I put in, having to just jimmy rig some tools that helped shave off and level off this plaque of wood that I have, I still ended up with something not so perfect. But it's just gonna have to work. I know I could definitely do a better job, but it still functions as a table. It'll still function as a table, but I'm ready. I'm eager to get this project done.
All in all, I'm really happy with the way it came out. The table came out with a few blemishes, but overall, it's a really nice looking table. It does its job, and honestly, I'm very proud of this. You know, such a hard and long journey, but it's a good experience, and I urge you guys to try to make something as well, even if, you know, it might be a little daunting. So catch you guys on the next one.